Hello guys, welcome to our new channel Slimdecade. So in this channel we'll be discussing related to different programming languages and different technologies and app development like Windows app development, Android and iOS app development, web APIs and hosting our web APIs on cloud portals like Azure. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our video. So in this episode, we'll be setting up our development environment. I'm planning to start a video series on C# and Windows app development. So we need an IDE called Visual Studio. You can download Visual Studio from official Microsoft website. I'll drop the link in the description. If you guys have PC with the latest configuration, I recommend you guys to download Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. Remember, it should be a community edition so that it's free for students and individual developers. If you have a little bit old PC, older configuration, you can still download the older versions of Visual Studio. You can always go and install 2015 and 2013. I'll drop the link in description of this also. So once you download this community edition Visual Studio 2019, you'll be getting a software called Visual Studio Installer. I have already downloaded it. I'll just open it. So once you open this Visual Studio Installer, you will be getting this window, or you'll be directly getting this window. Yeah, as of now I'm planning to start a series on C# and Windows app development. You can only download this package. In the future we'll be starting up with ASP.NET Web API development and Android and iOS development with Xamarin Forms. As of now, you can click on this checkbox and there are two options like install while downloading, or you can download all and then install it. So go for the second option so that you can download first and then go for the installation. It will be a little bit faster, and click on that modify button. Then you will be redirected to installation window. Once the installation is completed, Visual Studio will be installed in our PC, and I have already installed it. I'll just open it. So this is a Visual Studio 2019 edition. These are my previous projects, and that's it guys for this tutorial. Please keep your IDE downloaded and installed in your PC so that we can start our C# programming tutorial from the next video. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and you can support our channel by clicking on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon. So if you have any doubts regarding upcoming video series, please leave a comment below. I'll get back to you on that. So we'll meet you in the next tutorial. Until then, peace out and happy coding.